Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I created this animate Moomins combined with Nyan. Don't ask me why, I just love it. Please stop to judge me all the time. Let's get started. So basically we can separate this art for two processes. The first one is the design, and the second one is of course the animate. Let's get started. So in the first step, collect some reference from the Moomins and from the Nyan for later. But first of all, I want to design the character, the Moomin. What we need to remember when we design a character, that it's not have to be the same like the original image. Even it would be better if it will not be exactly the same. Because as an artist, we still want to have our signature about the thing that we created. And even if I use some inspiration from other great artists, still I will need that there is something different in my design. So after I created this Moomin character and looking about very long movies of Nyan, just I don't understand how this thing is succeeds so much. Okay, this is cute, I love this also, but what's happened with this art that make them to explode and like be so much viral? I'm not sure. If you have some thought about it, just write me in the comments. The one thing that I saw that in Nyan ride on some candy or cookie, I don't know how exactly what it is. Okay, I'm still from Israel. This is nothing like I know. Okay, it's not hummus or something like that. I remember from some of the capture of the Moomins, they was riding on clouds, and this was so cute to see this, and I thought it would be a very good idea to mix between these two. So I think the first thing was, like any other design that I make, is just start with a basic silhouette, just the line of that. And here I show you with a fast process, but actually I have a couple of versions until I get the one that I want. Of course, I want to see how it's look with Moomins on it. And I think something that's very helpful to combine between a character and some objects is to make some shadow, maybe small one, but shadow in the area that they attach one of each other, okay? People calling this ambient occlusion. 3D artists use it a lot. So and exactly the same thing I wanted to create in my cloud. See, I think this is something that helped. After we have Moomin and we have the cloud, and the other thing that we can see in Nyan, yeah, it was not so hard to find it, right? Is the rainbow. Okay, this rainbow is actually the trail that the cat is leave behind him when he's flying in the space. I try to do the same thing in my character. I don't want to use all the colors that we can see here. I just need maybe 3 or 4. So let's create the red one, yellow, green, and the blue one. Now together, of course, this look better. Now the other thing that I want to do is, of course, the space color. We can try a different version until we get the one that we want. I think something with the dark blue, it's the best to my design. The last thing that we need to design is the explode stars that we can see behind. And actually it's very simple to create this. Just 4 or 5 pixels that combine together, add all the stars here behind. So actually the animation is very basic. We have the Moomin character that just going up and down. So we can go to the first frame and just take up the cloud and Moomin as well. And the second frame down. The second step that we need to create is actually the rainbow. And the only thing that's happened here is just opposite the red line and all of them like that. And it's actually create a very good movement. The last thing that I wanted to do is this star going to explode. So let's just do it to the first one and duplicate all the rest. We can create 1 pixel. This is so cute and still work okay. I think the one thing that I love the pixel art style and even the animation of pixel art is simplify everything. Especially in this kind of times that everything is 3D and high quality and 4K and all of this crazy engine that create environment and everything. Especially in this time, I think there is something very, very cute and nice for me, like everything in the life. Everything is so... Okay, let's just continue. So the first frame will be a simple pixel. Now the second frame, we can create 4. We have this kind of change. We expand them even more. Okay, now we have this one. Start to explode, expand even more, and one frame before they are going to disappear. Okay, so let's just add them like a clock, and that's it. We can see this cute animation is simple but work. We can duplicate this animation to all of our stars. We have our animation now. Of course, music, background music is something that can help to us. This is my version of Nyan Moomin Cloud. I don't know, man. This is my version. If you like it, please like, subscribe my channel. If you have any question, don't be shy. Just write me here in the comments, and I promise to ignore it. I'm joking. Just write me in the comment. Thank you guys. See you next time.